Let me give you the easiest way to close a deal right here, right now. All you have to do is call the other person up, and whether you get their voicemail or not, ask them if it makes sense to do the thing you want them to do. Hey Tom, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, calling to see if it makes sense to get access to our sales coaching at Easton University. Give me a buzz on my mobile, 720-660-3202. When you ask somebody if something makes sense, you're not asking them to do anything. You're not putting any pressure on them. But you're also not, I'm just following up, or I'm just checking in. You're staying focused, you're staying on target, and you're moving the deal forward. Now, if somebody says no to does it make sense to sign the contract, simply say, got it, what's a good next step then? Well, I need to know about this, this, and this. Or, got it, what's a good next step then? I don't know. Makes sense. What's a good next step for me? Or what's a good next step on my end? Give me a call next Tuesday. Will do. You are always staying locked in. Does it make sense to get this in front of the board? No. Got it. What's a good next step then? I don't know. Hey, I get it. What's a good next step on my end? I'm not sure. How about we do this? I will call you Thursday at 4:30 p.m. if I haven't heard from you before then. Stay focused. Stay on target. Don't beg, and certainly don't follow up or check in. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.